Is your Cadillac XT4 refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? About 80% of these connectivity headaches are solved by simple software resets rather than hardware failures. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to get your system back online. Start by toggling your phone's Bluetooth, checking your cable for damage, and verifying that CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone settings. Often, an outdated iOS version or a cluttered Q infotainment cache prevents the handshake between your device and the vehicle. If basic steps fail, try forgetting the connection on both the Cadillac Q system and your iPhone before performing a hard reset. Most users find success with these quick resets, but persistent issues might indicate a faulty USB module that requires a dealer visit. As you can see, software updates and simple cable swaps account for the vast majority of successful fixes. Performing a hard reset on the Q screen is safe and often clears out those stubborn background glitches preventing a connection. Keep a high-quality cable in your glove box and ensure your USB ports are clean to prevent future intermittent connection drops. Remember, if connection issues become a daily occurrence, it is time to have a technician inspect the vehicle's USB interface. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook, and we hope your XT4 is back to playing your favorite tunes.